Today we're going to learn about the 11 parts of a flower, otherwise known as an angiosperm. An angiosperm is a flowering plant that has an ovary with ovules inside of it. When you go to the breakdown of the plant, you have the receptacle, which connects the stem to the flower. When you look higher, you have the sepals, which are what protects the flower before it buds, then eventually turning into the petals. When you look at this, you have the structure, or the style, which is supposed to have a stigma at top. A stigma is what collects the pollen and makes it sticky for the pollinators, but we'll talk about why this one doesn't have that in a second. Notice the female reproductive system, also known as the carpel or the pistil, consists of the ovaries and the ovules. When you look at this example, you'll see that the darker green sac is the ovary with the white ovules inside of it. When you look at this, you can see the white ovules that are egg-shaped, which actually are what consist of the female sporangium. The female sporangium then turns into the female gametophytes, then turning into the seed of the plant. When you get into the male reproductive system, you have the stamen. The stamen consists of the filaments, or these noodle-shaped things that are what holds up the anther. The anther is this sac shape that is what consists of the male sporangium. The male sporangium then turns the pollen into grain, then turning into the male gametophytes. As mentioned earlier, this particular flower doesn't have a stigma at top. That is because the petals are what collect the pollen. The petals are supposed to be the attractors for the pollinators, but in this case, it is also what holds the pollen, thus giving you the makeup of a flower.